Welcome back to Hashtag AOS Sing My Song Finals. And we are down to our last two finalists. Ray, feeling ko may mga kanya-kanyang paborito na rin ng Ayos Barkada natin. Pero syempre, ang judges ang magdidikta ng kapalaran ng ating mga finalists.
Mahirap yan dahil lahat sila binibigay ang kanilang 100% to win. Not just the title, but also 100,000 pesos. Wow!
Eto naman, ang isa ring hindi magpapakabog. Iwawagayway niya ang bandera para sa South Border.
Get ready for Riel Lomadilla!
It was the song Kahit Kailan yung nagdala sa amin sa mainstream audience. And after noon, nung lumabas na siya, nag-hit na siya, nagbago na talaga yung mga buhay namin. From bar gigs, nagkaroon na kami ng tours, nagkaroon kami ng provincial tour, nagkaroon kami ng US tour. Basta nagbago, maraming nagbago sa buhay namin. To be invited here as an icon sa Sing My Song, it felt like a great chance to reach new audiences. Once again, na-enjoy namin yung mga performances pero pinataob talaga ni Yel yung mesa eh. The good thing about Yel is when she sings, it's very soulful and that's what South Borders are all about eh. Today, she's going after the big win and alam kong kayang-kaya niya. Privilege din sa amin to para sa South Border na tulad niya isang mga awit din na magbabaon ng isa sa mga kanta namin. So, Riel, mula sa amin sa South Border, good luck and sing my song!
Minsa'y natataka sa akin ang lahat, bakit nagugulila? Nais kong ipatapat sa'yo, sana'y dinggin mo ang ihip ng pusong ito. Kahit na tayo'y magkaibang mundo. Ikaw na ang sabag-babaga sa aking buhay. Handang iwanan para lang sa'yo.
Riel Lomadilla! Mga kaayos! Grabe naman yung ikaw na. Diba? Binigyan mo ng sarili mong rendition ang awitin ng South Border. Maestro Louie, tumagos ba yun sa inyong puso?
Sobra, talaga. Alam mo, Riel, yung to sing a South Border, so mahirap kasi yung mga, yung mga kanta nila, no? You did perfectly fine from beginning to end. Again, tapos, grabe yung mga kulot mo, ha? Aside mo yung kulot mo sa buhok, yung kulot mo rito sa tono, ang ganda. Everything was in place. You chose the right places to do your embellishments, some music embellishments. Ang galing. I was floored. So, congratulations.
Thank you po. Oh my gosh, ba't ako naiiyak over? Thank you po.
Sir Ding Dong? Grabe. What a performance, really. Honestly, talagang
I mean, R&B really is your lane. And I can understand ba't sinabi ni Jay yung sinabi niya about you. Talagang pinataob mo talaga yung competition. And if that was your winning piece, yung mga kalaban mo ngayon siguro nanginginig na. Because you really did a heck of a job by doing that. And your runs were effortless. Yun ang masasabi ko. Talagang it just came so naturally. Sobrang flawless. Congrats.
Thank you po, sir.
Miss Pops?
Alam mo, Riel, naiinis ako sa'yo. Kasi ang ganda ng boses mo. Grabe. Tama yon, effortless. This is such a beautiful song. The first time I heard South Border perform this song, na-in-love na kagad ako kasi lyrics pa lang, melody, it's nakaka-in-love. But the way you deliver the song, you made it your own, mas nakaka-in-love pa because you added your own style to it, which sinabi na ng aking dalawang napakagaling na judges din. It was so effortless. Ang sarap pakinggan, effortless, and yet the effort, the power is there. So, ang hirap naman itong contest. So, you know what makes it even more challenging is napaka-iksi nung kanta. Bawat kanta nila is maiksi. So, they really, each singer has to deliver on that short time. At so far, ang gagaling nila. Ano ba?
Thank you po.
Congrats, Riel. Ang galing mo. Ang ganda ng boses.
Thank you po.
Thank you, judges and Riel.
Grabe, Riel.
Makakaiyak naman kasi talaga yung
Oo,
pag-perform.
wag ka na umiyak.
Oo.
Alam mo, bukod sa ganda ng mga komento ng ating mga judges, I believe that you gained new fans sa lahat ng mga nanonood sa'yo.
Nice one. Alright. Ito namang ang last grand finalist natin. Nire-represent ang ating AOS Balladeers. Handpicked by Miss Kuledesma. Ito na si John Rex.
You know, when I started in the industry, my biggest challenge was yung kaba. Alam nyo naman, maraming tao. Siyempre, dahil gustong-gusto kong umawit, gusto kong mas gumaling pa, nag-practice pa ako. Para yung time na lalabas ako sa entablado, wala na akong takot. May confidence ako. Masaya akong mapabilang sa icons dito sa Sing My Song. Because it's an honor that the songs I made popular before are still being enjoyed even by the new generation of artists. Nag-stand out sa akin si John Rex because malamig ang boses niya. And alam kong mas mag-i-improve pa siya. And maganda yung may star quality, di ba? Guwapo. And alam kong he will continue the passion of singing. Kaya John Rex, believe ako sa iyo. Today, he will be representing OPM singers like myself who let their hearts out when they perform. Kaya para sa iyo, John Rex, I hope that you will enjoy this moment at iparinig mo sa buong mundo yung boses mong nagpabilib sa akin. John Rex, sing my song.
I never dreamed, 'cause I always thought that dreaming was for kids, just a childish thing. And I can swear love was just a game that children play, and no more than a game. Till I met you, I never knew what love was. Till I met you, oh, this feeling seems to grow more every day. I love you more each day.
my gosh. Alam mo, kaya ka nag-champion eh, no? Baka talaga. Alam mo, hindi si John Rex kasi, nabibilib kami sa kanya kasi isa siya talaga sa may pinakamalinis kumanta. Tsaka gusto namin yung clarity ng boses and sobrang grabe. You were so proud of
Dumoble
you.
pogi mo, bro.
Oh, yeah! And, syempre si Miss Ku, di ba? Sobrang proud siya sa'yo, for sure. Ngayon naman, tanungin natin ang ating judges kung nagustuhan ba nila ang iyong version. Sir Ding Dong?
Well, kung nagustuhan ko, absolutely. Gusto ko yung timbre mo, John Rex. Sobra akong, there's a feeling na parang yung kinakanta mo talagang, tumatagos siya eh. I love the way your voice soars. And then, it's really piercing. And I love the song, the choice, Until I Met You, tapos version ng lalaki. Kasi syempre, familiar tayo sa version ni Ku. Pero yung sa'yo, I had a different experience listening to you sing it. And you're a really, really great singer. Galing.
Alright, Sir Louie.
Alam mo, sumasakit ang ulo ko kasi ang gagaling yung lahat eh. Ang hirap. Ay, basta ang gagaling. John, I didn't expect this, no? Your phrasing, yung phrasing ng pag-awit mo kanina was so unpredictable. You were giving your own interpretation for the song, no? And Ku, I'm sure si Ku will be so proud of you. You did a very good job. I like the quality of your voice. Again, ulitin ko yung phrasing mo. And then, you gave it a big bang sa ending. So, beginning to end, eto na naman, pasabog kayong lahat. Alam mo kayong lahat, best of the best nga talaga dito sa Sing My Song. So, congratulations. Congratulations.
Miss Pops?
Ako rin hindi ko expected. I was actually quite curious nung sinabing Ku Ledesma song, pero it will be sung by a male. So John Rex, you gave this song is now, parang ikaw na yan. You turned it into your song. Napakaganda ng quality ng voice mo. And just when I thought, ako bibirit siya, ending, in-attack mo differently. You know, it's a singing contest. There is so much power. There is so much strength. And yet, yung voice mo, tama, parang nagpa-float pa rin siya till the very end. There's so much feeling. There's so much emotion. Parang kinantahan mo. Ako lang ang kinantahan mo, John Rex. Dahil,
Sama mo naman kami.
pero parang dinedicate lang niya. Di ba? Parang pag pinapanood mo siya at kumakanta siya, parang sa'yo, yung sino yung nanonood, parang sa akin lang yun. Parang ganon. And yun na nga, that's where the emotions and the feelings and of course your own rendition of this song. Congratulations, John Rex.
Thank you, judges. Nice one, brother. Alright, 5 finalists. Pero isa lang ang tatanghaling grand winner. Bigyan natin ng pagkakataon ng judges na bumuo ng kanilang desisyon.
Mga kaayos, tutukan lang ang pagtatapos ng pinakamasayang singing competition on AOS. Ito ang Sing My Song!
Welcome back to AOS at ito na nga ang grand face-off ng Sing My Song.
Siyempre kasama na ulit natin ang ating 5 finalists na sina Osang, Thea, Viana, Riel, and John Rex.
Iba't ibang atake at styles pero isa lang ang tatanghaling grand winner at mag-uuwi ng 100,000 pesos cash. At syempre ang ating non-winners will also get a consolation prize as well.
Oras na para alamin ang desisyon ng ating judges. At syempre, nagpapasalamat po kami, of course, to our OPM icons, Mr. Dingdong Avansado, Mr. Louie Ocampo, and Miss Pops Fernandez. Miss Pops, as the head of our judging panel, kayo na po ang aming tatanungin. Sino po sa ating 5 finalists ang tatanghaling grand winner ng AOS Sing My Song?
Unang-una, we had such a hard time deciding. Dahil lahat sila, parati ito sinasabi, di ba, magagaling. Dahil po totoo yan, napakagaling nilang lahat. At kanya-kanyang flavor ang narinig namin ngayong araw na to. So it made it very difficult for us to really decide, kumbaga umasa na lang kami sa iba't ibang score namin. Yun. And that's what happened. And I think ang nangyari is, ang ating grand winner is by point something. 0.3 ang lamang because ganon ka-close ang score namin. Dahil nga, nahirapan kami sa pagpili ng grand winner. Eto na. Ang Sing My Song grand winner para sa amin ay si... Ang Sing My Song grand winner is John Rex!
Congratulations, John Rex! Ikaw ang grand winner ng Sing My Song!
Let's go, John Rex! Wow! Grabe, John Rex! Naging nostalgic ba? Naging nostalgic.
Ang totoo po talaga, nung nasa likod po, kinakabahan po talaga po ako sa inyong tatlo po. Kaya, I'm just so happy. Salamat po na napakinggan niyo po kaming lahat. And ina-appreciate niyo kaming lahat. Yun po yung pinakamalaking gift sa amin, and na-appreciate niyo kami. So maraming salamat po sa inyo. Thank you so much.
Alright, congratulations, John Rex! May message ka ba para sa ating icon na si Miss Ku Ledesma?
Yes. To be honest, Miss Ku, kanina po, nung nakatayo ako, nung hindi ko pa napapakinggan yung message niyo sa akin, kinakabahan ako. Totoo po talaga yon. Tapos nung narinig ko yung message niyo, pinalakas niyo po yung loob ko. Kaya maraming salamat. I will forever remember this, and lagi kong kakantahin doon till I met you. For you.
Alright, congratulations, bro!
Thank you po.
At syempre, palakpakan rin natin ang ating mga finalists na sina Osang, Thea, Viana, Riel. Napakahusay, napakagaling ninyong lahat. Grabe. And once again, John Rex, congratulations, brother.
Thank you so much.
Yes! Let's go! Maraming salamat sa lahat ng mga contenders na sumali at lumaban on this stage. At syempre sa ating mga OPM icons na nakasama natin these past few months.
Salamat sa inspirasyon, saya at musika hatid ninyong lahat. Dito na, nagtatapos ang pinakamasayang singing competition on AOS. Ito ang
Sing My Song! And once again, thank you so much, Sir Dingdong, Maestro Louie, and Miss Pops for
Thank you
being
po.
here. Such
Maraming
an
salamat.
honor. And once again, our Sing My Song grand winner, John Rex!
I never dreamed, 'cause I always thought that dreaming was for kids. Just a childish thing. And I can swear love was just a game that children play, and no more than a game.